Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to enable animated workouts on your Garmin Enduro to watch. So let's get started. Firstly, we need to open list of the workouts by clicking this start button once. Great, we just opened Glances and now we need to scroll till we see this workout tab, click it, and now choose any workout you like. Let's choose, for example, yoga workouts. And then confirm your choice by clicking the start button again. And then click on do workout. And now just click this menu button to go in the main settings of this section. And scroll till you see more settings tab. Then click it or click it by start button. And here scroll till you find this workout videos tab. And enable it by clicking on this switcher. Great. And now let's go back to this training and click this button to start it. And now you will be able to see animated workouts. Just copy everything you will see on the screen. And to end this training, just click this stop button. Wait a couple of seconds. And then scroll through the menu with the help of this down button to go in Discord and confirm it by clicking this button. And that's all. I hope this video was useful for you and thank you so much for watching.